How to transfer contact Android to Android with Bluetooth or without internet connection. So first of all, you have to select your contact that you want to transfer and make sure you are enable your Bluetooth option on the other device. Let's enable the Bluetooth. Done. Now you can see the share option. Now press on done. Here you can see the Bluetooth. Press on Bluetooth. Now it's searching the device. If you don't see, then just go to your Bluetooth device and press on details. Then you can see the device. Now select the device. Now it's ask you to pair. Just pair this device. Pair. Now let's go back to the contact again and press on share, done, and Bluetooth. Then you can see the device is available. Press on accept, and then you can see the file. Press on this file. Now you have to press on import. Press on import. Now where you want to save. Now if you go back to your contact, then you can see all of your contact available. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.